Guys, welcome to Magesh View. Now we are going to see England versus Sri Lanka Grand League teams, and I am going to say who will be a punt key in this match. Malan will be the opening batsman for Johnny Bairstow because Jason Roy injury is not still recovered and there is no updates for Jason Roy. If that is the case, Malan will get opening. So Malan will be the punt key. So many of them give Malan as a captain, which will be suitable for Grand League. And another punt key is Dhananjaya De Silva, who bowls 7 to 8 odd overs and bats in a good decent form. Both in the Sri Lanka LPL and in ODI format, he is in good form. Next is Moeen Ali, who bats lower down the order, who has an hitting power and also bowls 4 to 5 in odd overs. Why I am going for Moeen Ali? Because they have some left-handers in their lineup like Kusal Pereira. There are few left-handers, so we are going for Moeen Ali. And another punt pick will be Binaru Fernando, who is a tall bowler who extracts space from the pitch. So it will be a great key if Binuru Fernando clicks well. So I am going for Binuru Fernando. And another punt key options will be Chris Wokes or David Willey. Both are in decent form when compared to the England T20 Blast. So there will be also a punt key. Malan, Morgan, Morgan is like if England bats first, Morgan you have to give captain for Morgan because Morgan plays offensive cricket like he comes down at the over of 30 to 35th over he comes down and he can hit 100 which you already seen in an Afghanistan match. So Morgan will be also a key factor. Now we are going for the teams. This team, I am going for Malan as an opening batsman and vice captain will be Dasun Shanaka, who bats middle order and he will bowl 4 to 5 overs in this match because it's an ODI match. So he will bowl 4 to 5 overs. The next team will be Malan and Morgan. Malan and Morgan will be the choice for this match if Malan bats first and Morgan comes in 30th over and they both hit and Bairstow to be failed in this team. Third team I am going for Dhananjaya De Silva and Moeen Ali. I am expecting Dhananjaya De Silva to take 2 or 3 wickets and bat for like 30 to 40 odd runs and Moeen Ali to do the same with 3 wickets or 40 runs. I am going with Dhananjaya De Silva and Moeen Ali. Fourth team will be Avishka Fernando and Binuru Fernando. Avishka Fernando is in great form in ODI format, not in an T20 format. So don't consider it as an T20 format. Go it for an ODI prospect of view. Avishka Fernando is in good form. So Avishka Fernando captain and a tall Lankan pacey bowler will be in vice captain. Fifth team, I am going with Dhananjaya De Silva as captain and Avishka Fernando as vice captain. Same thing like Dhananjaya De Silva will bowl and bat and is an anchor in this team. So Dhananjaya De Silva as captain and Avishka Fernando as vice captain. In this team, I am going with Dhananjaya as captain and Vanindu Hasaranga as vice captain. We all know that England is slightly a weaker side while playing spin. So in this team, I am expecting some wickets like opening batsmen will both like Bairstow and Malan will stand with an Sri Lankan pace bowlers and they will other people will fall with spin bowlers. So I am leaving Root. Livingstone, everyone who bats in the middle order and giving captain and vice captain as Dhananjaya and Vanindu Hasaranga. Next team I am going with Livingstone as captain and Dhananjaya De Silva as vice captain. And I am having a Dhananjaya as also a player. The thing is like Livingstone might bowl 2 or 3 overs, he might get 1 or 2 wicket and he will be a hitter at last. So I am going with the Livingstone who can perform as an all-rounder and Dhananjaya De Silva as same as mentioned who can score 50 runs or 1 or 2 wickets who can pick it up in the middle. Next team I am going with Livingston as captain and Adil Rashid as vice captain. The same thing like Avishka Fernando will stand as an opening batsman and Livingstone who hits in the later down and picks 2 or 3 wickets, and every other Sri Lankan batsman will fall for Adil Rashid who has a deadly googly. So I am expecting in this team I am expecting Rashid to perform well. The next team I'm going with Moeen Ali as captain and Wanindu Hasaranga as vice captain. The same Wanindu Hasaranga who can bat and hit quickly like 30 to 40 runs, and he can pick, if he bowls 10 overs he can pick minimum 2 wickets. So I'm going for vice captain and Moeen Ali as a captain who bats later in the order but bowls 2 to 3 good overs. The last team I am going to take is Avishka Fernando as captain and Odana as vice captain. Like the same I mentioned, Avishka Fernando who bats in the top order and is in good form, and the another is vice captain Udana. Why means because he can bowl 10 overs and who bowls in the death and who also bats in the death, who can hit like 3 to 2 sixes or 2 fours that can increase the points. So Avishka Fernando and Isuru Udana. And this team, if you see closely, this is not predicted to be a Sri Lanka winning team, but the captain and vice captain of Sri Lanka can perform well. This is the team, guys. If you need more teams you can say it in personal. This is my id, TKO is my id. You can message me in Dream11 if you need more teams. Thank you guys. Subscribe the channel for more upcoming Grand League teams. Thank you guys.